to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Namaku, Julian. Bahaya ini membuat ketakutan.
Attack!
Mau kemana? Jangan lari. Warna. Yang kamu lihat
Launch attack!
kegelapan.
Battle spell is ready.
Hentikan.
Initiate retreat!
Waspada.
First blood!
Great play!
Ally has been slain.
Great play!
Aku ingat salju yang turun.
An ally has slain the turtle!
Tanpa keraguan. Untuk apa? Tidak ada kehangatan di sini.
Initiate retreat!
Aku hanya ingin senyuman itu. Mau kemana? Kita sudah sampai. Ingatanku melengkapiku.
An enemy has been slain! An ally has
Yoku
been
ya.
slain! An enemy has been slain!
Mendekatlah.
Initiate retreat! Double kill!
Understood.
Initiate retreat! Launch attack! You have slain an enemy! Well, ally has been slain. And killing spree.
Itu tidak sakit.
よくやった。
Sorry. Attack the turtle.
Cukup!
Okay.
Jangan
The
lari.
enemy has slain the turtle. Killing spree.
Maaf. We can still win.
Killing spree.
Aku menemukan ketenangan.
Keep an eye on the map. Our
Ingatanku
turret has been destroyed.
melengkapiku.
Our turret is under attack.
Tanpa keraguan.
An enemy has been slain.
Telah
Our turret has been destroyed. Maaf. Initiate retreat.
itu tidak sakit.
Enemy rampage.
Bahaya. Ini membuat ketakutan.
Shut down. Attack the turtle.
Aku ingat salju yang turun. Cukup!
Shut down.
Cukup! Untuk apa? Kunci!
Killing. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Mendekatlah. Tidak ada kehangatan di sini.
Clear up lane.
Aku memerlukannya.
Request backup.
Understood.
Request backup.
Warna.
Request backup.
Aku hanya punya
Request
senyum
backup.
itu.
Enemy rampage.
Waspada.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. You destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Ku ingat salju yang turun.
The enemy has slain Lord.
Tidak ada kehangatan di sini.
Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Invade enemy jungle. Need initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain.
Yang kamu lihat hanya kegelapan.
Our turret is under attack.
Ingatanku melengkapiku.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Cukup! Bahaya, ini membuat ketagihan.
Need assistance. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Double kill. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Mendekatlah.
Launch attack.
Bahaya, ini membuat ketagihan. Mendekatlah. Cukup!
Your team destroyed the turret.
Sesuai
Shut
tujuan.
down.
Hentikan.
Lord. Initiate request. Your team destroyed the turret. You have been slain. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Attack the Lord. Destroyed a turret.
Aku menemukan
Attack the Lord.
ketenangan.
Battle spell in cooldown. Attack the Lord. Attack the Lord.
Yang kamu lihat hanya kegelapan.
Your team destroyed a turret. Initiate retreat.
Warna. Murnikan.
Request backup.
Gelap gulita.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Shut down. Killing spree.
Lutut tidak sakit. Kunci!
Request backup.
Tanpa keraguan.
Request backup.
Jangan lari.
An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Mega kill. Attack the Lord.
Aku menemukan ketenangan.
Attack the Lord.
Aku hanya punya senyum.
Launch attack.
Cukup!
An inhibitor turret is under attack.
Untuk apa?
Ally has slain Lord. An enemy has
Kerja
been slain. Killing spree. Double kill. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has been unstoppable. Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed
Lutut
a
tidak
turret.
sakit. Cukup! Huh!
Initiate retreat. Unstoppable. Initiate retreat.
Cukup!
Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Mau kemana?
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. Launch attack.
Cukup! Tidak ada kehangatan di sini. Aku hanya punya senyuman itu. Cukup! Mendekatlah.
Launch attack. You have slain an enemy.
Memerlukannya.
Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Masalah pribadi.
Your team destroyed a turret.
kamu lihat hanya kegelapan.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been shut down. Enemy double kill.